Okay, I'm pretty sure you can see this. This is a nest of a bird called a killdeer up in our ball field, and I've been watching the eggs for a while. Like I've tried to miss it mowing. Oh gosh, it's hatching. That's awesome. The mother and father are like around me screaming right now. I don't know if you can hear them on the video, but figure we might as well try to watch one of them hatch. There it is right there. There it is. Yeah, come on, buddy. There it is. Come on now, buddy. No, it was starting to come out. After it comes out, I better leave so the mom and dad can get over here and do what they want to do.
She can't get through that wire, can she?
Probably not. Yeah. Oh, sweet. That's cool.
It was just a tiny hole a minute ago in the shell.
I'd love to stick around to watch the rest of it, but I think we better leave.
Yeah, maybe we could just put some green things around it and she could still get in it.
Yeah, maybe.
What do you think?
That's a good idea. There it is. Yeah, that's cool. I've never seen one hatch before. Oh, sweet. Oh, that's neat.
I thought it would have taken a long time.
Well, it's hatched. I say I'm done. That's neat.